Here we have a phylogenetic tree, and I chose to do mine on transportation. A phylogenetic tree represents evolutionary relationships among organisms. A phylogenetic tree reflects how species and other groups evolve from a series of common ancestors and shows the degrees of similarities between the OTUs. The tips of the tree represent groups of descendant taxa, which is often species, and the nodes on the tree represent a common ancestor. The horizontal lines represent anagenesis, which is changes or evolution occur within a lineage. The outgroup in my phylogenetic tree is a bicycle because it is the most distant from the other operational taxonomic units, OTUs. It is the lineage that falls outside the clade being studied and is closely related to that clade. The taxon outside the group of interest, aka the outgroup here, which is the bicycle compared to the other OTUs. So the OTUs are operational taxonomic units, and they're units based on the differences in their DNA sequences and are used to classify groups of closely related individuals in the group of organisms currently being studied. The outgroup here is a bicycle and it roots a tree, which all the other UTI share and a common ancestor is shown. This makes an example of a rooted tree also because the distance of the OTUs is known and the order of divergence is inferred by comparing the outgroup. The two-door and the four-door car here are the most recent ancestors because they're the most recent individuals from which all the other organisms and trees are descended. I drew mine longer so they could picture would fit, but normally the lines are shorter here. And so the sister groups are two descendants split from the same internal node. Small cars and big cars are an example of sister groups, and each other's close relative. They have common ancestors and evolutionary history unique to them. The internal nodes, which are highlighted in green circles on the tree, represent common ancestors of those descendants. This marks cladogenesis, and we can see that here the four-wheel or more and the two wheels, both coming from diverging by cladogenesis from a common ancestor. Cladogenesis then divides transportation into public and private, and then quickly onto ground, air, and then driver and U-driving, and then cladogenesis then diverges into small cars and big cars from U-driving. Sister groups are when two descendants split from the same internal node. Small cars and big cars are an example of sister groups and each other's relative. They have common ancestors and evolutionary history unique to them, like I said before.